Good day to you viewers. In today's tutorial, we are to find the value of 2 over 3 PQR if 5 raised to power P is X, X raised to power Q is Y, and Y raised to power R is 125. We will be using logarithms to get this done. But to start with, recall that if A raised to power B is equal to C, then by definition it means that the logarithm of C to base A is B. We will be applying this principle to the three equations given to us. So first, given that 5 raised to power P is X, it simply implies that the logarithm of X to base 5 is P. By the definition we just explained, we can rewrite this as P is equal to log X to base 5. We are going to call this equation 1. With X raised to power Q being equal to Y, this implies that the logarithm of Y to base X must be equal to Q. This also can be rewritten as Q equals to log Y to base X. That is equation 2. And finally, with Y raised to power R being equal to 125, this implies that the logarithm of 125 to base Y is R, which we write as R is equal to log 125 to base Y as our equation 3. Now that we have made representations for P, Q, and R, it makes it simple to find 2 over 3 PQR. 2 over 3 PQR is going to be 2 over 3 multiplying P, which is the logarithm of X to base 5, Q, which is the logarithm of Y to base X, times R, which is the logarithm of 125 to base Y. Recollect also that from the laws of logarithm, the logarithm of A base B can be written as the logarithm of A over the logarithm of B, the law that has to do with change of base in logarithms. Hence, 2 over 3 PQR can be written as 2 over 3 times log X over log 5 multiplying log Y over log X, which also multiplies log 125 over log Y. Here log X cancels out log X and log Y cancels out log Y. That is, we are left with 2 over 3 times log 125, which is log 5 raised to power 3 over log 5. And that becomes 2 over 3 multiplying 3 log 5 over log 5. And with log 5 cancelling out, we have 2 over 3 times 3, which is 2. Therefore, 2 over 3 PQR is 2. We believe you enjoyed the tutorial and have learned one thing or the other from it. Please give the video a like, comment with your thoughts in the comments box, and share the video. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so right now.